Welcome back, everyone. Did you know that businesses that prioritize effective marketing are 60% more likely to grow their revenue? Marketing is not just about promoting products, it is a key driver for scaling businesses and reaching new heights. In this lecture, we will explore how businesses grow through customer acquisition, retention strategies, and digital marketing. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand customer acquisition and its role in scaling, learn strategies to retain customers and build loyalty, explore how digital marketing contributes to business growth. Marketing acts as the fuel that powers business growth. Think of it like growing a garden. To make the garden thrive, you plant seeds. Customer acquisition, water the plants regularly, customer retention, and ensure the environment is favorable, digital marketing. Without these efforts, the garden cannot flourish. Marketing connects businesses with their audience. It helps them understand customer needs, deliver value, and expand their reach. Customer acquisition is the process of attracting new customers to your business. It involves identifying your target audience, reaching them through effective campaigns, and convincing them to choose your product or services. Take Coca-Cola as an example. The company runs campaigns that appeal to people of all ages, showcasing how their products fit into everyday moments. This strategy ensures a constant flow of new customers while maintaining its global presence. Acquisition strategies include advertising, referral programs, and social media campaigns. Businesses that focus on acquiring customers also invest in tools like customer service or understand what people want. While gaining new customers is important, keeping them loyal is even more valuable. Retention strategies ensure customers keep coming back, increasing lifetime value and profitability. For example, Starbucks uses a loyalty program called Starbucks Rewards. Customers earn points for every purchase, which they can redeem for free drinks or food. This simple strategy encourages repeat visits. Retention also involves excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Word of mouth referrals from satisfied customers are one of the best ways to grow. Digital marketing is one of the most powerful tools for scaling businesses today. It includes online strategies like social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and email campaigns. Think of Netflix. The company uses personalized emails and targeted recommendations to keep users engaged. Netflix also runs online ads to attract new subscribers, ensuring it stays ahead in the competitive streaming industry. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience. It's cost effective and provides real time insights into campaign performance. This makes it easier for businesses to adjust their strategies and maximize results. Customer acquisition, retention, and digital marketing are the three legs of a stool. All three must work together to create a stable foundation for scaling. Businesses that focus on these areas are better equipped to grow sustainably. For instance, Amazon combines these strategies perfectly. It uses online ads and SEO to acquire new customers, a Prime membership program to retain them, and advanced digital marketing tools to personalize the shopping experience. Choose a well-known company and research its marketing strategies. Write a one-page report explaining how it acquires and retains customers. Include examples of its digital marketing efforts. In summary, marketing plays a vital role in scaling businesses. Customer acquisition, retention strategies, and digital marketing work together to attract, keep, and grow a loyal customer base. What marketing strategies have you seen around you? Do you know any business that has grown through great customer service or digital marketing? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.